an Indian Air Force (IAF) chopper made an emergency landing on the Kundli-Ghaziabad-Palwal Expressway in Haryana on Friday following a technical glitch, a police official said. The Air Force personnel on board the chopper are reported to be safe, according to the police. The IAF helicopter made an emergency landing due to a technical glitch. All police control room vehicles and police personnel were rushed to the spot. Later, IAF engineers attended to the chopper and it took off after 2 hours, Assistant Sub-Inspector of Sonipat Police Sandeep Kumar told news agency PTI. The chopper made the emergency landing on the Kundli-Ghaziabad-Palwal Expressway, also called the Eastern Peripheral Expressway. The incident occurred about 10 to 12 kilometers away from Haryana's Sonipat. On receiving information about the emergency landing by the IAF helicopter, the police reached the spot and stopped vehicular traffic movement on that stretch of the expressway where the chopper had landed. No one was allowed to go near the chopper. The vehicular traffic movement was restored when the chopper took off, the police official said. After necessary repairs, the helicopter took off for its destination about 2 hours later.